Welcome to the Wizard of Eyes Optical, located in East Harlem, established in 1986.
Hi, this is Richie from the Wizard of Eyes. This is my new state-of-the-art Essilon 7000 Edger. Totally computerized, touchpad screen, accurate to 1/100th of a millimeter. Here is the marker blocker. All touchscreen digital display, precise to 1/10th of a millimeter. This is the Essilon scanner. Scans both frame lenses. Accurate, absolutely perfect. This is the Essilor capper. It's a few years old. Digital display, totally computerized. It makes a perfect pair of glasses. And this is the kappa blocker, which is associated with it. It's a wonderful, wonderful device. All this produces state-of-the-art optical equipment. Totally perfect every time. Hi, I'm Richie from the Wizard of Eyes, and this is Carlos. We're going to show you how we make glasses here at the Wizard of Eyes. First, Carlos is going to mark the lenses. He marks the lenses by putting in the prescription and marking it on its axis. He does that to the right lens and the left lens.
Okay, ready?
Now we're going to scan the lens, the frame of the lens. As you can see, it scans the right lens, then the left lens. Now Carlos is bringing the frame up from the scanner. And there's the shape as it's recalled. We put the patient's PD in. And then we're going to put the height. This is for a bifocal lens, which is 10. The right lens, then he puts in the left lens, and he's going to send it over to the edger. There we go. All right, now Carlos is going to set the lenses up. Puts it in the edger. Start. There we go. All the way in. All right, now the sensors are going to go around and they're going to detect the size of the lens, as you can see, prior to it cutting. Then it starts the cutting process. This is the Gerber Coburn Essilon 7000 printer, state-of-the-art with a touchscreen display. Everything is totally computerized. Accuracy to 1/100th of a millimeter, making every job perfect every time. Okay, now here we got the finished product. Carlos is going to take it out of the edger and put it in the lens. All right, let me see. Perfect. Every time. Guaranteed from the Wizard of Eyes. Hi, it's Richie again. We're going to show you how we block the lens before we put it into the generator to do the surfacing. This is Argelis. He's the greatest technician in the world. Go ahead. We brought the job up. Now he centers it and puts it on the line. Puts his block in, places the block in its holder, presses the button, and automatically it blocks the lens. Okay, now we're at the generator. We're going to enter the job number. Great. And now we put the foam lamp in. This is going to be the tool that helps polish the lenses. Okay, now we're going to put the semi-finished lens into the generator for it to be cut. Now what this is actually doing is doing the opposite of cutting the tool. It's grinding the back surface. Optics are a combination of the front curve and the back curve. We know the front curve. Once we enter the prescription into the computer, it creates the back curve. And that's how we get an optical prescription. The front curve and the back curve equals the individual prescription for glasses. After this process, it goes for polishing. You see? Cut the back surface. Now we're going to go into the polishing room. Now we're in the polishing room. The polishing is a two-step process. First we have the fining process, then we have the polishing process. And we use the, give me the pad, give me this. We put the pad on the tool that we created in the generator. Put it in, polish it, and this is the final process before we make the lenses. Step 1, Step 2.